177. Wait, I don't know. 184.
Yeah, I think mine are about the same.
Mine are 72. I don't know if I'd like any taller.
Yeah.
Then I wouldn't be able to tree ski as much.
Yeah.
Sisters guy.
Yeah.
Last one was fun.
It should be down soon.
They're fine. They'll be okay.
Yeah.
So Owen, so this is what me and Daddy are playing.
Were you over by Falcon?
Yeah, I did powder chair and falcon chair.
Was it good?
I mean, powder chair was completely empty. There's no line.
Really?
Yeah, no one's over there.
Want to go over there again?
Yeah, you can do that.
I'll ski whatever. I used to want to do fast, you know.
Yeah, the powder gulch is like really steep. It's like got a nice pitch. That one's like, the only thing is a little uneven, but I think it's good for getting speed.
Yeah. So send it.
Yeah.
Break something or break something.
Yeah. Yeah, and again, hardly anyone's over there, so run would probably be pretty empty.
Oh yeah. Also important, don't break other people.
Yep.
So when we finish, it'd be like 3.
We were slow getting out there. I was just dead. I didn't like lay down or anything, but we were sitting there talking to my mom and Chung-hee.
Yeah.
We were drunk and funny. And then Chung-hee made Britt a drink, and so then we waved. And then Britt's like, yeah, like probably 10-15 more minutes. So I went and made a drink, and then she came over with her finished drink. I was like, wait, you just said 10? She was like, oh wait. So then we both finished that.
Wow.
And then so that was only one drink. But then Josie walks out of the room like a zombie. She'd been asleep for the past hour again.
Wow.
And she was like, I want to come. So we're like, all right.
Yeah, I think I ate one too many sandwiches and I got like a food coma.
Yeah.
So I was like getting up from my chair. I was like, oh. Yeah. Thankfully, the food coma is only lasts like an hour for me. So,
Yeah.
like pretty much recovered.
Is that?
I'm not sure. We did Paradise, right?
Oh yeah. Mommy. Oh yeah. Well, Mommy would never go to She could. She can go as fast as these upwards now. Imagine. Not upwards, but probably I think that one is crooked in.
Is this faster or Ridge Rocker?
It's Snow Ghost. I think. Are we on Snow Ghost? Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't Snow Ghost normally faster?
I don't know. I always feel like I see Ridge Rock going a little faster.
Oh, okay. I didn't remember which one was. I remember one always looks a little bit faster.
Yeah. But I think Ridge Rock had recently had like a replacement with like the gearbox or whatever.
Oh.
Like with the drive stuff. So they might have a different gear ratio and it goes like slightly slower now.
Yeah. How does it slow down when it gets into the box?
There's like so the grips are able to come off the cable.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I knew that.
Yeah.
Yep. You push down that top thing and it pops them onto a different cable that's slower.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't even go onto a cable. It's just moved by tires.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then the cable just goes around a big bull wheel that you can't see.
Yep. I'd heard that before.
Yeah. What's unique about Ridge Rock and Bull is that you can, on the top station, you can actually see the bull wheel.
Mm-hmm. Now we're really going fast in Ridge Rock.
Oh, yeah.
I can see the bull wheel from here.
Yeah, they need some more snow.
Yep. Not supposed to start snowing until our last day.
Until, yeah.
It just sucks.
It would have been nice to have some fresh snow.
Yeah. Well, at least it doesn't get as bad as like in Washington, since it's like a drier climate here.
Yeah, yeah.
Like if this were Washington, like if Dragon's Trunk would be completely unskiable, it would be all ice.
Can we take over Pogo again to get to the board?
They'd be so wet.
Yeah.
Probably.
Temperature's got about freezing because I'm slush.
Cut over.
Wow,
Ooh.
where's Black Forest?
Actually, I don't think
Yeah, I
you
see
can.
That's probably how you practice doing the 360.
But the next
Yeah.
one.
Oh my God! I had a baby Gabby. Yeah, let's not do this. Is that the rocking chair?
That's the powder chair.
Or where the heck is the rocking?
One over.
What's not one over from that way?
Them? No, there's two.